Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review, including a link to the Keelo app, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the app. Keelo, a fitness app review and usage experience. Keelo is a high-intensity interval training (HIIT) app perfect for anyone seeking quick, yet effective workouts that blend strength training with cardio. Unlike many other fitness apps, Keelo emphasizes functional fitness and full-body workouts, catering to both gym enthusiasts and those who prefer to exercise at home. The app provides a diverse range of exercises using bodyweight, dumbbells, barbells, and even machines, ensuring versatility for users of all fitness levels. Every workout is scalable, meaning whether you're just starting your fitness journey or are a seasoned athlete, Keelo can adapt to your specific needs. What truly distinguishes Keelo is its intelligent programming. The app generates a tailored workout plan based on your individual fitness goals, past activity, and available equipment. You'll find detailed workout breakdowns, helpful video demonstrations, and tips for maintaining correct form, which are particularly beneficial for those new to functional training. To monitor your progress, Keelo offers metrics like calorie burn estimates and a detailed workout history, allowing you to visualize your improvements over time. Integration with wearable devices such as Apple Watch and Fitbit further enhances the experience by enabling heart rate monitoring during workouts, providing valuable real-time feedback. Keelo also boasts a unique coaching feature. This allows you to ask fitness-related questions and receive personalized advice, giving you the feeling of having a virtual personal trainer readily available. While Keelo operates on a subscription basis, and some users may consider the cost slightly higher compared to other fitness apps, the level of personalized programming, professional guidance, and access to the coaching feature arguably justify the price, especially for individuals serious about functional fitness. So, who is Keelo ideal for? It's a perfect fit for busy individuals who crave efficient and intense workouts, as well as those who enjoy functional, CrossFit-style training. If you value structured, guided programs that maximize results in minimal time, then Keelo might be an excellent choice for you. That concludes this review of the Keelo fitness app. For more information or to try the app for yourself, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below. Please share your thoughts, questions, or experiences with Keelo in the comments section.